Cheese.
Cheese. What are you eating? Blueberries? And banana? Where's the blueberry? Yummy blueberries. Yeah. Yeah?
Daddy?
Where's Daddy? You love your daddy.
Baby?
Where's Atticus?
Daddy? Daddy?
Where's Mommy?
Daddy?
Mom Mama?
Daddy?
Mama?
Daddy? Daddy?
Atticus!
Daddy? Daddy?
Penelope's calling you. Where's your daddy?
Daddy? Daddy?
Addie? Where is he? I don't know where he is. Where's the kitty?
Daddy? 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 Daddy?
You just really want Atticus, don't you?
Daddy?
Addie! Atticus!
Daddy?
Where's the kitty? Yeah, there's the kitty.
Daddy?
Kitty? Is that delicious? Blueberry. You eat it. Uh-oh. Oh, you want me to have it? Oh, you eat it. Uh-oh, where'd they go? No, Penelope. Bananas do not go on your face. Not on your face. I think you're done with the bananas. All day banana? You want more? More blueberries? Or more banana? More blueberries? More blueberries? Okay, I'll give you a couple more blueberries. Are you excited? Thank you. Say thank you. What do you got in your mouth? Piece of banana? Say thank you. I love you. Are you kissing? Can you give the camera a kiss? Cheese. Can you make your funny face? Penelope, your funny face. Do this face. Look at me. Penelope. Look at Mommy. Do your funny face. You're not doing your funny face. There's the funny face. Do it again. That's another funny face. Can you dance? Dance. More what? You have blueberry right there. Yummy. Is that delicious? That's a piece of blueberry. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.